Hello, welcome to this video. In this video, the problem we are going to solve is my pen drive is dictated by my machine, but I'm not seeing it inside my file manager. So we're going to look at how to solve this problem. So this is it. I have the drive C and my drive D, but I'm not seeing the additional drive that I added to it. So to do this, you go into the search button, then you're going to search disk, then you're going to select create and format hard disk. So you click on this, then you're going to see the drive here, removable 3.75 GB. So this is the additional drive that is slotted. So to make this visible inside the file manager, you right click, then you go to change drive letter and paths. We're going to add a new path to it. So then you're going to select F because mine is already C and D, so I can select F. You can choose any of these ones provided it's not existing. So I've changed it to H and I'm going to click OK. Then you can see the drive here, right here inside the file manager. So this is how it's going to work, or this is how to make it work if yours is not showing. Please, if this video really helped you, please do well to give it a thumb up and leave a comment behind if you have a new way of solving it, and please try to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.